Hey coding buds. So basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem kth element of two arrays, and it is a medium level problem, and the problem statement is given as given two sorted arrays A and B and an element K. The task is to find the element that would be at the kth positions of the combined sorted array. So basically in the given problem here we have two arrays, and that array contains sorted elements inside it, and then after that, like both of the array, like here if I'm talking about example one here, so here we have like array A is equal to 2 3 6 7 9 and array B is equal to 1 4 8 10, and both are like sorted array. Now our task is to find the element that would be at the kth positions of the combined sorted array. So our first approach to solve the given problem is like that: we have to first of all combine both of the array A and array B into a single array. Once we have like created a single array, we must have to be ensure that it must be a sorted array, as it is already mentioned in the question here. Okay, once we will find that our array is like sorted, then we have to simply return the element at the kth position. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem here, but before that, first of all I'm going to explain you with an example here. So here we have example one here, where the element A or array A is equal to 2 3 6 7 9 and array B is like 1 4 8 10. So we know that after merging array A and array B, we got like this array. Okay, as it is also already mentioned in the explanation section here. Now once we get this sorted merging array, then after that we have to find the element at k position, that means k is equal to 5. So here if we are going to check out at the position k, that means 5. So we got like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here we get basically 6 as an output here. So here we get 6 as an output at the position 5 here. Okay, so this will be our output here. Similarly, if I'm talking about the second example here, array A contains 1, 4, 8, 10, 12 and array B contains 5, 7, 11, 15, 17. Once we are like going to merge it and sort it, then after that we got this final array like this way. Then after that we have to just simply return the element at kth position, and here the value of k is like 6. So here we have to simply return 6 value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so at this time here we got an output as 10. So here we will return our output as 10 here. So that's all about the problem here. Let's try to solve it, but before that, constant is like given as like array dot size, uh, a dot size, b dot size should be like greater than or equal to 1 and less than equal to 10 to the power 6. Okay, and expected time complexity. So we have to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of log mean of a b and auxiliary space of order of 1. Okay, and this is like the question which is asked in Flipkart and Microsoft, and it is based on arrays, divide and conquer, data structures, algorithms and binary search. So let's try to solve this problem. See what about my approach. What I will do here, basically I am just going to create a vector. Okay, by declaring it anything like, let's say, merge. Okay, then my approach is very simple. I am just going to take both of the array A and array B. Okay, like we are like I am going to first of all store the values of all the values of array A and array B into the into our new we can select new vector, which I am going to declare it as a merge. Once we have like once I have like just put all the values inside those merge vector, then after that I have to just simply sort it. Once I'm going to sort it, I'm actually getting this kind of values. Okay, for example one, I get this value. For example two, I'm getting this value. Once I'm getting it, I can easily to find it about the exact value at the kth position. So I'm going to solve it here. So my first approach is here. I can also write this step here. This step 1, creating a merge vector that contains the single array for both array 1 or array A and array B. Alright, so here we just simply create vector of integer type, as it only store integer values. Okay, so vector int, and here I'm declaring as a merge. Then after that I have to just simply insert all the values of array A and array B into our merge vector. Okay, so here I'm going to use simply for each loop. Okay, so for int I I have to traverse inside the array A, and then after it I have to just simply use merge vector. Then after that I have to simply perform inbuilt function like push back for inserting all those values in the merge vector. So I have to just simply put this value. Similarly I have to perform it for the array B also. Okay, so I have to just simply do here merge dot push back I. Now once I've like done these things, so I am actually merging my both the values of the array, but the thing is that it is like not sorted. I'm just simply taking array A as like 2 3 6 7 9 and then array B as 1 4 8 10. After performing this code I am actually getting the output as 2 3 6 7 9 and 1 4 8 10 just after the array A, okay, into the single array. But now we have to sort it here, so sort merge dot begin and then merge dot end. Okay, once I like perform these things, now my array will be like sorted array. Okay, now I'm actually getting this as an my final array. Now I have to just simply find the, I can also write a step second. That means now we have to find the values at key position, I can say that. Okay, so here I can simply use conditional like for my value, as I know that my k value is like 5 here. If I'm talking about example 1 here, with respect to example 1 here, my k value is 5. So I have to give the condition if my k value is like greater than 0, logical and my k value is like less than or equal to, I can say that the merge dot size. Okay, that means if it follows this condition here, then I have to just simply return the merge of, I have to return those values. Okay, that means at k position, so I have to just simply return merge of k, but I have to also like do -1 as I have to, as I'm like checking the condition here. Okay, so I have to just simply return these things, else we have to just simply return -1 if it will not be there. Okay, let's try to compile and run. So yeah, here compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. What happened? Runtime error. I've also solved it with the given time complexity as it takes I am traversing both of them, so it will like order of n plus m if I'm talking about the array. Then after that I'm just doing sorting method, so log n plus m. Then after that I just simply do this, so it will take like order of 1 as I am just following the conditional statement. Let's try to compile and run again. So this time it will be submitted. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.